this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 117 of building the Batmobile from 1966. I've almost got to the end. It's nearly there. The end is definitely in sight. I'll be a mummy's uncle, apparently, for episode 117. From February the 22nd, 1968, we have King Tut returning again. There we go. All about that. It's the one where Batman and Robin are nearly unmasked. Oh no, they find out who they are, but don't. Nearly, not quite. The resurrection of Ra's al Ghul. Yeah, it's all about coming back with the Lazarus pits and things, isn't it? I know that from Arrow. Cool stuff. Right, a novel idea, in the late 80s and early 90s. Explosion of creativity. Batman graphic novels. Oh, right, okay, so we've done with the comics for now. We're looking at graphic novels. Fair enough. Just comics on a bigger scale. Sort of like a film to a TV series, that sort of thing. So we've got another exterior panel, more brackets, and lots of screws because we are finishing the top level. We are putting the other bracket in that we did last time, but then we're bringing in the whole back end, fitting that in place with these brackets, and tidying up the cables and fitting the rear brackets, which are the other bits that we've got left over. And then we're going to have the entire top shell ready to go, ready to be assembled very soon. It's basically done, isn't it? So yeah, let's glue this out of the way and we'll get that ready and be ready soon. So here we have the parts for this one. It's a Ford sticker on the inside there. The other one of those for the other side, no doubt. This is the bit that we're going to be fitting now. We've got the other bracket and lots more screws. But for now, we're just going to fit this bracket to the interior here on the opposite side to the one we already did. So that is going on there like that. We've got the EM screws again. Again, we have 3 in the packet, so we use 2 and keep 1 spare. Let's get that in, started off. I have been back since the last time and tightened up the one on the other side. And I'll do the same on that one, so that's nice and secure like this side. And then I need to bring in the other half of the body. So let me tighten that up and bring in the other bit. Okay, that's that all tightened up and fixed. Then we need to play around with the rest of it. So that's going to be the tricky bit. Let's move these out the way over there. They do have an L and an R on them, so I know which one's which. That's going to go there. Let's get the rest of the car, which I've got here, lined up on there. So that's going to fit over the top of that. If I get all the wires out of the way. Come on, out of the way. Right. So that's going to fit on there like that. There are 3 screws to go across there and then 2 more somewhere along there. Now, I'm not going to be able to hold this. I can't reach it now from this. I'm way the way back. So this has got to go on there a little bit further on than that, just like that. So I shall get those screws in there and get it all tightened up. And then we'll see about putting the sides on. Right, I'm happy with that. They've gone in nice. They fit in well. The screws are all going quite nicely. Now we've got to take some things apart. So we're going to fit these brackets. And they fit, if I can get the camera just in the right place, down here. a bit like that. I'm not sure if that's the correct side, but that's a side, certainly. But we've got to take out this screw to put that in place. So I shall remove the screws, put both these brackets in place, and then we'll be done. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But I'm holding it at the moment, so I can't film and screw at the same time. So I'll see you in a sec when they're both attached. Okay, there we go. That's those two brackets fitted in there, nice and secure, holding the back end of this in place. And that is that. Only a couple more issues to go. I haven't taped down these like it said to do at the front, but they're fine at the moment. I'm going to worry about plugging them in at some point in the near future. But for now, I'm happy with how this is coming together. It's starting to look quite good. From the top, it looks very, very, very Batmobile-ish. Oh, and I've just broken off one of those. So I knew that was likely to happen because we're manipulating all of this all over the place. So, yeah, I'll see about getting that back secure again anyway. So there we go. That is that. Looking good. Looking a little bit dusty, but still good. I think next time we're playing with the trunk, getting the trunk latch in place, which will be interesting. But yeah, there we go. Another part done. Almost there. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.